In this video, I'm detailing my filthy barn find C10. Look at this hunk, man. Here it is in the daylight. Now I can show you around it. Look at how long this thing has been sitting, collecting grime. Oh, this is disgusting, but I love it. It's the new project and it will turn into something so great. We have shaved doors, so we'll just reach in here, get it popped wherever. There we go. Here is the interior, full of rust, full of some rigged up speakers. Comes with all sorts of supplies just in here alone, not cleaned out whatsoever. It's painted this blue everywhere, which is interesting. We got the piece and pistons, gotta love it. What else? Oh, the Thunder, the matching blue Thunder. Oh man, I love this truck. And what's even better than what's inside is what's behind. Check out all this garbage. We got a spare grill, which is nice, but how many cigarette butts can you find in this thing? Man, oh man. Going around to the back, you can see the bed is kind of shot. Got plenty of rust that was coated over. Body by Rob, gotta love it. Got the classic plate on the back. Still got it strapped down underneath. Kick it open. There it is in all of its glory. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is clean this whole truck out after I've shown it to you. You can just see so much Bondo, so much mildew. Like, that came off so easy, but now it's on the kicks. What did I get myself into? Disaster repair on this old barn find. We got the blue rims with the missing lug nut. Gotta love it. I think these rims could look really, really good if they weren't, well, blue. That matches part of the truck. There's a lot of potential in this thing, and I see the potential. Not only that, but I see the finished product of what it can become. I can't wait to take it there. So super quick update on the truck. This was all in the interior, and there are actually a lot of really good parts. There is a bed liner kit that's brand new. There's all new window trim or window molding. There are some other pieces, the center cap to this wheel, as I found out, which is pretty sweet. Random bits, emblems, stuff like that. The emblem that goes right here, boom. So there are a lot of actually good parts that came in the truck, and it looks a lot better by simply not being filled with junk. I got all of the stuff out from under the seats, and all of this micro stuff just needs to be vacuumed out, which I'll do right now. Because there was so much just straight up trash in the bed of this thing, I decided to come to the bin, the advanced disposal bin, and I'm just gonna throw all of this stuff directly in there because there's way too much stuff for that small little trash can. The rest of this is just cigarette butts, cigarette packs, and Pepsi cans. This is wild.
Unbelievable. I had an entire trash can that went in there on top of everything that I already had put. But this is solid. Like, I can walk anywhere on here. And yeah, there are a couple very small holes, but overall, 170, 180 pound kid in one spot. Not bad for this truck.
So we got the C10 in the back, headed out to the car wash to get a car wash, a truck wash for this big old moldy, mushroomy, mildewy thing. I'm so excited to see how much better. Obviously it's not going to look good, but there's going to be one less color. There's going to be no green on this thing by the time I'm done. So excited to get this thing blasted off. Hitting up the super wash, getting this thing sprayed down like a true pro.
Dang, she is pretty. She looks good again, and there's no green. This is insane. There used to be texture, and there used to be so much green back here. And now, it's all solid. I mean, it's far from solid, but you know what I mean. It looks much, much, much better. And it will look even much better once I get some paint on there. But the rims look pretty. They can be shined up, cleaned up. And man, this thing is a dream compared to how it was. Selling it like this alone would increase the value so much more. For what? $15 at the car wash, taking maybe 15 minutes?
Hopefully you liked that video. If you did, drop a like. Give me a comment telling me what you think, what you want to see next with the build. And don't forget, if you want to start your very own detailing business, then there is a link in the description. Definitely check it out. With that in mind, subscribe to the channel to follow along with the build, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.